Oh, dang, that was really bright. I'm sorry, I didn't adjust my stuff. But it's good, though.
It's all right.
Because what are we doing today?
We're fishing today.
Oh, look who's shy to be on the camera.
We're bass fishing today. Finley wanted to go bass fishing today, so I decided, what a better way to make a video than to take the little cheerleader, the Queen of Hearts. Is that how you say it? Queen of Hearts? Fishing. All right, so it's a really pretty day. And we're excited to have some fun. I gave Matt the trolling motor this time. He wins. I lost a bit.
Yeah, we are rigged up right now, aren't we?
We're ready to go.
Yeah, so let's do this.
Let's do it.
All right.
You get in there. My goal today, if I don't get to catch fish, that's fine by me. My goal today is to get Finley her first. Well, it's not her first. She doesn't remember. When she was probably 3 years old, she caught a little bitty bass. And
I had no clue I did that.
You don't remember catching that?
No.
I helped you. You reeled it in. I got it on the hook, and then you reeled it in. Set the hook, okay? Who, Matt?
You.
Me? I haven't caught a fish yet today. But absolutely. Fish on. Fish on. Yep, little bitty.
We'll take it.
Fin. See? I cast it right towards the grass.
Yeah, I did too.
I know. I should let you cast this direction. Come on, guys.
Hey.
Okay, cast, Finn. Cast.
Wait, I don't want to hit y'all.
You're not going to hit us.
You're gonna cast that one?
Come on.
She said we're grown.
We'll watch out. Matt can watch out. I can watch out.
Nice.
Eh.
Look at the. All right, so update. Jordan hopped in the boat with us. We're gonna let that sit over there for a bit.
We're going to help Finley catch a fish.
Yeah, 'cause she's gonna catch a fish. It's gonna happen. Nice.
Good. That's it. That's it. All right. Cast towards. You got it. She got it. She got it. She got it.
Oh, let's go!
Let's freaking go.
Hey!
Freaking go.
Got that thing, son.
Hey,
hers.
she knew it. Hey, it is bigger than mine and Matt's.
No,
I
mine
think
was a
you
little
got.
bit bigger.
Are you kidding? She's 7.
I'm so sorry.
Are
No,
you kidding, Matt? She's 7.
That was funny.
It was not funny. Yours is the biggest one today, Finley.
It is. It really is. I'll clear my throat.
No, you didn't.
Hey, you're gonna have to give me a.
I was about to say, hold on, let me reel it in. I want to.
You wanna release him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got to.
You gotta release him. All right, put him back in the water. Hey, give me some skin, little homie. All right.
Let's go.
Let's get
Now
another
we're
one.
getting somewhere, son.
Let's get another one.
Hey, this is gonna be a good
My
video.
cast, my reel in,
Your cast, your reel in. All right,
my
tell 'em-
catch.
Now tell everybody the story. What happened? What were you thinking?
Well, I thought I was gonna get stuck,
So you thought you were gonna get stuck. And
so
then
I
what
just
happened?
started reeling in. And then right whenever it got close to the boat, it just came up and ate it.
Came up and ate
Came
it.
up and ate it. I love it.
All right. All right, go towards the squid. Right in the water.
But you're not in the water.
What did you want for lunch today?
Nothing?
Nothing. You don't want nothing to eat today?
I'm not hungry right now. Okay, Jordan. Elin Welch.
Oh, the whole name.
Whoa. Well, since all of YouTube now knows your middle name, Jordan.
All of you two's about to know Finley's head down in the water. Cast over there. You ain't listening to one thing I said today.
Okay.
The one time you did, what happened?
I didn't
You're
catch a
twisted
fish.
up. You did too catch a fish.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Well, now you're lying. You know where liars go. What? That is nowhere near where I said to cast. Nowhere near. Cast towards the stump.
The stump.
The stump.
The stump.
You're a stump.
You're a stump.
Girl, you got a head looking like a
That potato.
fat potato.
You gotta look at me like a fat pickle.
A fat pickle. You ain't letting it go under the water far enough.
You ain't letting it go in the water far enough.
God.
I did.
You did not.
That's
Yes, I did.
That's
Cast
cap,
again.
son.
Stop the gun.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Go. God, you talk too much trash.
Oh, nice cast.
It's your best one today.
Yeah. Huh.
Fish in the bed.
What?
I'm better at that with this rod.
Cast that way, Finley. Goes that way.
So cast that way.
No. Actually, yeah, cast that way so that you'll probably know
She got
casting.
one. She's got one.
That's cap.
Let's go.
Stop the cap,
Let's
bro.
go.
Dude, that's awesome. Let's go, Finley.
Let's go. Get him in. Slow it up. You're good. You're good.
Hey!
Yes, ma'am.
Fish on.
Yes, ma'am. Oh,
Finley
yeah.
said, maybe if I just cast where I want to cast, I'll catch a fish.
That time I didn't.
Hold him.
All right, you got to get another picture.
Hold on, I gotta really stand and lay down.
Oh, yeah, his lips are ripped.
Ripped him.
Ripping lips.
Hey, let's go.
How do I?
Like with
Hold
your
on.
thumb.
Switch hands.
Oh, so you can get him with your...
Don't be like that. Come on. You're tough.
It's heavy.
All right, big smiles. 1, 2, 3. Got it.
Go.
Give me 5. Let's go. One more again.
One more
again.
Guys, he can't swim. Matt can't swim.
Okay. Go. We're gonna have to go get some pizza after this, Finley. What you say?
I'm down with that.
I'm down.
You're a loser. Alright, I bet you I can catch a
Say-
fish. Hey, I bet I can catch a fish before you catch another one.
Hold on, I got it.
Here it goes.
Hold on.
I can catch a fish before you catch another one. Oh, I'm not waiting. I've only got to catch one fish today because I've been helping you. And it was
Yeah,
a
right.
Wimp. Little baby fish.
She gonna pay for that.
Is she?
Am I?
Oh yeah.
Well, let's see.
Hey, she cast it like a pro just now. She was like, all right, hold on.
Make it a competition.
Hold my Kool-Aid jammer.
You're such a little butt, Matt.
I'm a little butt? Okay,
Yeah, you
whatever.
are. You
All
a
right.
little
All right,
butt.
let's go to the middle.
All right. Finley,
Subject.
Finley, are you competitive?
Very.
Very. Jordan, are you competitive?
Oh gosh. I felt something.
You are not going to catch a fish before me. There ain't no way. There ain't no way.
No! No, I just told you!
Stop, Finley, no! You did not just do that.
What'd she do? Did she
You
dig?
did not. I caught the fish. She grabbed my rod and yanked my rod so the hook came out of his mouth.
No.
All right, now I see. Okay. Okay.
Now it's gotten
Okay.
serious.
Now, see, now you done made me mad.
Uh-oh.
That
You
did
done
not
messed
just
up.
happen. That did not. You did not just do that.
I did just do that.
I cannot believe you, Finley.
Ah. I wanna win!
At
Well,
what cost, though?
what would you do if I would have done that to you? That little turd. She literally, she yanked my rod because she knew I had a fish on.
What you got, Finley? That's cap.
You got one?
I think so.
Nice, little homie. That's
Here,
a
let
good
me
one.
do it,
That's a
okay?
good one. Okay, go, bring it in. Oh, that's
Dang.
a little crappie or perch, whatever.
I knew it!
Let's
I
go.
You did win.
She did.
Oh, I said bass though.
Oh.
It don't matter.
That ain't a bass.
That definitely ain't no bass.
It don't matter. I still caught before you. You said caught. Catch.
We'll go back on the
On the replay.
replay and figure out if that's what I said or what
Uh-huh.
I didn't say. You better get to catching a bass.
Watch this.
Stop. You recording on the GoPro?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Hey,
Hey, look at that little bitty sucker.
Dinky boy. What
That's
up?
funny.
Hey, Finley, listen, a fish is
I
a
set
fish.
the hook hard on that thing too.
Yeah, you said fish on. I was like, let's go.
Hey, I still caught before.
That's tiny. Boom, slap in the face with a fish. Slap in the face with a fish.
You smell like a fish. Oh.
Hey, easy, easy, easy.
Easy.
What?
I said easy.
Well, regardless, Finley had a very successful day today. She caught her some fishies, right?
With my own cast.
With
I
her
did
own
not
cast.
Listen to Jordan on number
Oh, okay.
2 or
I
number
see.
3.
Yeah. But number 1 you did, right? Number 1 it was all Jordy.
But number 2, it was all me. And number 3, it was all me.
Well, did you have fun?
Yes, I really did.
You really did have fun.
Yes. And don't comment about me not wearing a life jacket.
You can touch in this pond, right?
Yes, I can.
It's a very small pond.
Jordan.
Yes. Ended our day over at the swimming pool because that's what Finley wanted to do. We had a fun day. I think Finley, you had a good time, huh? All right. We'll be back at it soon with just Matt and I. We're gonna be going for some big fish. So we'll be filming. Don't look at me like that. We're gonna be filming very soon, so we'll have another video put out by. I'm gonna put this on us,
Ooh, yeah.
so that if we don't do it, we lied.
Yeah, and we're not lying.
We're gonna have another video posted by this coming Friday. We're gonna make it happen. So
That's a lie.
we'll see you soon. Get outside and do something. Don't be lazy.
Like my brother is. Morgan, Ross, Doggett.
I love it.